The Google Pixel 7a is going to be the next best mid-range category device that is going to be launching on May 10th at the Google I/O event. We already know leaks, rumors, hands-on videos, tear-down videos, and also some marketing materials has been leaked regarding the Pixel 7a, which pretty much confirm everything about the device. But today we have got another leak which also confirms the pre-order gift that is coming for the Pixel 7a. Yes, today a French retailer has shared two of the images regarding the Pixel 7a pre-order gifts, which includes Pixel A earbuds with the Pixel 7a pre-order. He also confirms that the May 10 and the May 22 will be the pre-order dates in which you can pre-order the Pixel 7a. And three of the major upgrades that are coming in this year Pixel 7a series, which includes a 90 Hz of a refresh rate, which is going to be an upgraded from 60 Hz when we compare it with the last year Pixel 6a. It will be having a wireless charging support and an upgraded camera from 12 megapixel right way up to 64 megapixel. Now we will talk about them later in the video, but first we talk about the design. Now when it comes to the design, the Pixel 7a is going to be looking similar to the Pixel 6a as far as the display is concerned, whereas on the back we have a design which is looking closer to the Pixel 7 device. Now when it comes to the design, the back of the device is going to be coming with a plastic, not the glass. On first look it seems like it will be similar to the Pixel 7, which is coming with a glass back, but the tear down video that has been shared by PBK Reviews confirming that it's not going to be the case because it is going to be a plastic on the back. It will be having a 6.1 inch 90 Hz Full HD Plus resolution of a display, which is going to be great. But the thing which I really don't like about the Pixel 7a display is the thick bezel that are coming for that particular device. We are also expecting to see an IP60 or Ip67 rating for the Pixel 7a series, which is going to be good, but haven't been leaked or rumored by any of the leakster up till now. We don't even know about the Gorilla Glass protection of the device, which is still unknown. But the selfie camera detail has been leaked, which confirms it's coming with a 13 megapixel of a selfie camera. And moving towards the back side, here we have the same design as the Pixel 7, and it will be coming with a dual camera setup on the back side, which includes a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor, a 13 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, which is a massive upgrade as compared to the last year Pixel 6a. The YouTuber Menchi has already provided us sample images about the Pixel 7a cameras, both in the photos and the videos. Honestly, the images quality are looking great, but the video quality is going to be decent. We already know that Pixel devices are generally going to be better in terms of the photos quality thanks to the Google software optimization of their cameras. So definitely expect to have a better quality of the images, but when it comes to the videos, hope that it's going to be pretty decent. Now internally we are going to be seeing the Google Tensor G2 processor inside the Pixel 7a, which is going to be the same processor that we have seen in the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, and also in the Pixel Fold is expected to be coming with the same processor. So definitely in terms of the processing power, it is one of the best in terms of the mid-range category. Now having said that, it will be coming with an 8GB and 128 and 256GB of internal storage, which is also a nice addition. It will be packing a 4300 mAh battery capacity, a fast wired charging, and a wireless charging support. Now the wireless charging support has also been confirmed by the tear down videos, which is looking great. Inside the box, you are not going to be getting any kind of a charger. You only see a SIM tool, a quick switch adapter, a USB to USB-C, USB 2.0 charging cable. Nothing else is going to be coming. Now finally, when it comes to any device, the pricing is going to be the major factor in terms of the sale of any smartphone. Now, based on leaks and rumor, it has been circulating that the $50 price hike is going to be coming for the Pixel 7a device, and it would cost you around $500 for the Pixel 7a, a £500 in the UK, and a 509 euros price has been leaked in the European market. So definitely these leaks confirming that a price hike could be coming. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the Pixel 7a? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.